Ferrari, the name that echoes speed, luxury, and raw power, has been an iconic brand for decades, captivating car enthusiasts worldwide with its signature prancing horse badge and breathtaking designs. But do you ever wonder what makes a Ferrari so special? Join us as we take a glimpse into the exclusive world of Ferrari and witness firsthand the passion and dedication that goes into building these masterpieces. Inside the factory. If you're a fan of high-performance supercars, then you probably heard of Ferrari. The Italian automaker is renowned for its engineering excellence, beautiful designs, and of course, its iconic prancing horse logo. The skilled artisans at the company meticulously craft every single detail of these high-performance machines at their multi-billion-dollar factory in Italy. From the thundering engines to the stunning paintwork, each Ferrari is a masterpiece in its own right. But did you know that every Ferrari is hand-built? That's right, from the first bolt to the final polish, every Ferrari is crafted by skilled technicians in a factory in Maranello, Italy. Every Ferrari begins its life at Maranello facility, in the province of Modena, where the magic of crafting perfection takes time. It's not a fast-paced assembly line, it's a meticulous process that demands nothing less than the best. Each Ferrari takes an average of 3 months to complete, and that's just the standard. For bespoken orders, the waiting time can stretch even longer, but it's worth it when the end result is a high-performance machine that's tailored to your every desire. The factory is a massive complex that covers over 200,000 square meters and employs over 3,000 people. From the moment you step inside the state-of-the-art facility, you're surrounded by the sights and sounds of modern industrial operation. But despite the size and complexity of the factory, the process of building a Ferrari remains rooted in tradition and craftsmanship. In addition to building cars, the Ferrari factory also offers a range of experiences for visitors. Ferrari fans can take a guided tour of the factory, where they can see the production process up and close, and even watch technicians work. Visitors can also visit the Ferrari Museum, which houses a collection of classic and modern Ferraris, as well as a range of interactive exhibits that explore history and technology of the brand. Building a Ferrari. Number 1. Designing the engine. The first step in building a Ferrari is to design and engineer the vehicle. This process begins with a team of engineers who work on everything from the car's aerodynamics to its engine. The design process is a collaborative effort, with an input from everyone from the engineers to the technicians who will eventually build the car. Number 2. Prototyping. Once the design is complete, the team moves on to the prototyping stage, where they create a physical model of the car. This model is used to test everything from the car's handling to its performance on the track. Once the prototype has been thoroughly tested and refined, it's time to begin the production process. Number 3. Production. This is where the real magic happens. Every Ferrari is built by hand, with technicians carefully assembling each component of the car. The process begins with the chassis, which is constructed using a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber. The chassis is the foundation of the car, and it's essential that it be both lightweight and strong. Number 4. Making the engine. Next comes the engine, which is the heart of every car. Every Ferrari is powered by a V8 or V12 engine that is hand-built by Ferrari's team of expert technicians. Each engine is meticulously crafted, with every component precisely machined and assembled by hand. The engine is then mated to the chassis, and the car starts to take shape. Number 5. Body panels. The body of the car is the next component to be assembled. Ferrari uses a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber to create the body panels, which are then hand-formed by skilled technicians. Each panel is carefully shaped and polished to ensure a perfect fit and finish. Once the body panels are in place, the car is ready for the most magical part of the process: painting. Number 6. Painting. When it comes to Ferrari, style is everything. These high-performance machines come in a range of eye-catching hues, and white red remains the most popular color choice. It's far from the only option for a Ferrari paint job. Customers can choose a variety of colors and finishes, from metallic to metal, and to create a look that's truly unique and reflected to their personality. Once the customer has chosen their dream color, the frame of their car is carefully crafted. The process begins with a protective bath that shields the metal from corrosion before the base coat is applied. This part of the painting process is completed using a combination of robot and manual labor to ensure that every nook and cranny is thoroughly coated. It's a delicate process that demands nothing less than perfection. But the real magic happens when the layers of the color paint are applied. This is where the flexible robotic spraying machines come in, executing their duties with swift accuracy in just a matter of minutes. The result is a paint job that's nothing short of breathtaking, a reflection of the passion and craftsmanship that goes into building every Ferrari. But Ferrari isn't the only luxury manufacturer that's embracing cutting-edge technology to improve quality and efficiency in the assembly process. Porsche is also utilizing modern additive manufacturing practices to produce state-of-the-art components like pistons for its cars. Through 3D printing technology, the company can optimize the piston structure and reduce its weight, creating designs that would not be possible with traditional engineering methods. This technical know-how has enabled them to increase the average engine speed and lower the temperature load on their vehicle pistons, resulting in a performance boost that's simply awe-inspiring. But that's not all. Another luxury car brand from the Volkswagen Group called Audi is also leveraging technological innovations to streamline their production methods and boost efficiency. With a focus on digitalization and automation, Audi is utilizing artificial intelligence to optimize logistics, reducing the time it takes to move materials and parts between production lines. This not only increases efficiency, but also reduces costs, which ultimately benefits the end consumer. Number 7. Finishing touches. Finally, the car is ready for the finishing touches. The interior of the Ferrari is a work of art, with every detail crafted by hand. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather, and the dashboard is trimmed in carbon fiber. Even the steering wheel is handmade, with each stitch carefully placed by skilled craftsmen. Number 8. Testing. When it comes to supercars like Ferraris, it's not just about looking good. They also need to perform at the highest level. That's why each Ferrari engine undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it lives up to high expectations of customers. The testing process begins with engines being subjected to a battery of tests outside the car, often for many hours at a time, using machines known as test benches. These computer-assisted devices simulate a wide range of conditions in which the engine must operate, ensuring that it can handle any situation it may encounter on the road. The engine's components are then fine-tuned based on the data gathered during the testing to deliver optimal performance. Once these initial tests have been completed, the engine is installed into the car, and a system known as a dynamometer, or dyno for short, is used to conduct further trials. Dyno testing measures the force, torque, and power of the vehicle. The car is placed onto a rolling road similar to a treadmill, and its engine is revved up and accelerated, allowing the dyno to take precise measurements of its air-to-fuel ratio and load resistance. These intricate tests can even calculate a vehicle's horsepower. Through these tests, any inefficiencies can be collected and upgraded before the vehicle is sent to the showroom. This ensures that each Ferrari is capable of delivering top-notch performance on the road, making it a true joy to drive. The future of Ferrari. Building a Ferrari by hand is not without its challenges. The process is incredibly time-consuming and each car takes several weeks to build. There's also the issue of the cost. Because each car is built by hand, the price tag for a new Ferrari can easily exceed $200,000 or more. Despite these challenges, Ferrari remains committed to building cars by hand. The company believes that the human touch is an essential part of the manufacturing process, and that there's simply no substitute for skilled craftsmen who take pride in their work. This commitment to quality and craftsmanship is what sets Ferrari apart from other automakers, and it's a big part of what makes owning a Ferrari such a special experience. So, if you ever get a chance to visit the Ferrari factory, take it. You won't be disappointed. Click on one of the 2 videos on your screen right now.